The tests and exercises took place in the waters of Chesapeake Bay off Camp Bradford and Little Creek, where amphibious forces trained for landing operations. One unit of deceptive equipment is the dummy landing craft. These are used as decoys to deceive the enemy. This dummy is shown in daylight only for the purpose of inspection. It throws a bow wave and a wake when towed. Swinging around the dummy in order to see its construction. Dummy landing craft are collapsible and may be quickly assembled. Sides of craft are braced and fastened by a coupling. Here is the assembled landing craft. Its dimensions are indicated in the picture. Here is a second version of this dummy landing craft. This model is constructed entirely of light wood and shows what can be done with pickup material. It is useful under calm conditions, but will not live long in a seaway. Here is another model of a dummy landing craft, a T-shaped model. It consists of a full bow, but unlike the first model with sides, its silhouette is made by a single centerpiece. From its shape, therefore, it is called Model T. And still another model of dummy landing craft, consisting only of a bow. It is good deception viewed bow on, but it presents no side silhouette. The dummy landing craft are accompanied by sound boats to reproduce the sounds of landing craft motors and other sounds of attack assembly. Equipment is arranged in the sound boats in this way. Note turntables on which loudspeakers can be turned in any direction. Front view of loudspeaker. Rear view. Side. Top and bottom. The loudspeaker unit here is mounted on bow of sound boat. Front of the reproducer unit with the case closed. Side view. And the other side. This is the same unit with the front open, showing operating mechanism. Front view of the motor generator. Rear view. Side view. The other side. Side view of interior. Interior from the other side. Front view of the amplifier unit with the case closed. With the case open, showing the grill. With the grill removed, showing the interior. Side view. Accessories unit with the case closed. With the case open. Here is the smoke gear in the stern of a smoke boat. Smoke boats provide a smoke screen behind which, in the darkness and opening dawn, the sound boats maneuver, and from which the dummy landing craft emerge sufficiently to deceive the enemy into believing it is the main effort, the real landing, moving into the attack. Dummy men, which later will be shown as they're thrown overboard to simulate personnel wading ashore in the difficult light. Dummy men are inflated by turning a valve. Here are dummy paratroopers to deceive the enemy into believing a parachute landing has been made. Simpler silhouette models are being developed. The dummy paratrooper in the air. Field tests have shown that the actual proportions of these dummies cannot be perceived by the enemy because of the absence of background, which allows for no standard of comparison. They therefore appear to be man-sized. That completes the deceptive equipment.